Light, full left.
November 37, Quebec, follow the traffic up on the pattern, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
Okay, and now normal approach.
Yeah.
Head 4. Okay, are we fast or slow?
Now we are fast.
We are fast, exactly.
Yeah.
Keep
November
lowering
2,
collective.
Charlie, extend downwind.
Keep lowering collective, that we still descend. Okay, we have to slow down, but we want to descend
November
continuously.
6, Kilo Charlie, runway 26 right, line up and wait, traffic downwind. 26 right, line up and wait, November 6, Kilo Charlie, follow the traffic up and also on the pattern, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff. 6 right, clear takeoff on the traffic advance plan, 6 Kilo Charlie. November 15 Delta, extend downwind.
Extending downwind 15 Delta.
November 4 Charlie Victor, extend downwind,
A
traffic
bit more forward pressure and left pedal, that we keep our nose straight here. Okay, level off here. Okay, we don't want to get too low. Okay, because here head 4 is higher than the ground above it. Okay, don't get too low.
Yeah, don't get too low, okay.
Long Beach Tower, good morning, Southwest 1869.
Okay, where are we going?
With you for runway 30 left.
Okay, we were so slow.
Yeah.
You could have easily stopped right after pad 4.
Okay, yeah.
Your goal is to stop over pad 4. Stop. I have controls?
You have control?
I have controls. Okay, you don't want to do a right turn. Okay, so you come to a hover, ideally right at the pad, and then we do a left pedal turn. So we right, forward, left. Okay.
They will call you back.
You have controls?
I have controls.
You have controls. Okay. Go back to number left pedal.
Left pedal.
Left pedal. Keeps the nose straight.
Okay.
Don't descend too much. Okay. Here you have to understand the pad 4 is higher than the grass around it.
Okay.
Okay. Don't get too low when you approach the pad.
Taking tower 120.5, 15 Delta.
Okay. Stable hover here.
0.5, so track 700.
6 Kilo Charlie, contact tower 120.5.
Request lane work. When nobody's talking, we request lane work.
Okay.
11 o'clock, 4 miles east on the Cessna 1000.
Southwest 1869, okay.
November 37 Quebec, extend downwind, traffic flowing 737 on the 3 mile final, runway 30. Extend downwind, making the traffic 37 Quebec. Helicopter 426, monitor tower 120.5.
120.5, 126.
Helicopter 83 Hotel, monitor tower 120.5.
120.5, 83 hotel.
Hey, 80 hotel, 120.5.
Yep, I put in. You will never let go, okay?
Okay.
If this happens to you, go back to pad 4.
Okay.
Pad 4, set down.
That first set down.
Yep.
Southwest 1869, additional traffic at 11 o'clock and 2 miles east on the Cessna 1000.
Southwest 1869.
And you don't want to do a set down here. Okay? You want to be in this black square. Okay?
Okay. Set down.
Set down, stabilize first.
Yeah.
Now we are completely turning around here.
Okay.
Okay? I have controls?
You have control.
I have controls, okay? Try to be stable. Our nose is constantly moving right now, okay?
Okay.
You want to set down like that, straight, okay?
Straight.
And be in this black square here, okay? You have controls?
I have control.
You have controls, okay? Stabilize first before you set down,
Okay.
Roger, 2 Whiskey Charlie.
Looking for the Cessna to follow and 26 left clear for the option 37 Quebec.
Get higher. You are completely unstable.
Yeah.
You do not want to set down Okay, see, you have to stop this drift, okay?
Okay.
You notice we are drifting completely with our nose left and right. You have to use your pedals here while we are
Pedals?
hovering here.
Okay.
Yeah, because this is lack of pedals. You don't use your pedals enough because this is, see, now we are completely turning to the left.
Yeah.
You have to stop this as soon as it happens that we are in a stable hover. Okay, I have controls?
You have control?
I have control. So when tower tells you, contact tower 120.5.
120.5.
And you are solo. Okay,
Yeah.
what you do, before you do anything, you never let go of the controls.
Okay.
You will do a set down here. So you're going to do a set down.
Set down here.
Okay, set down, collective down, collective friction on.
Friction on.
So friction on, RPMs down to 70 to 75. Okay?
Yeah.
And now I already put in the frequency. This is when you change the frequency now. So now you have time to change the frequency, press the button.
Okay.
Okay?
120.5.
Yep. Okay, so this is how you do it when you are solo. Okay?
I got it.
When tower tells you, contact tower 120.5.
120.5.
You tell her, contact tower 120.5. But you will not change it while you are hovering solo.
Yeah.
Okay? You do not do this when you're solo.
I got it.
You always set down first.
Set down
okay?
first. Okay.
So now we have 120.5.
Yeah.
Now you make your call, you tell them request work.
Lane work. Okay.
Helicopter 83 Hotel, pad 4, request lane work.
Okay.
Helicopter 83 Hotel, pad 4 request lane work. Lane work approved, helicopter 83 Hotel.
Okay, and here you say Long Beach Tower, helicopter 83 Hotel,
Yeah.
pad 4, request lane work. Okay?
And the volume is too low. Hard to lift back.
Okay. So now RPM. So now friction off.
Friction off.
Okay. Increase the RPMs to 80 again.
Yeah.
You call our base 15 Delta.
Okay. Pick us up.
Okay, pick up first.
Okay, what do we check first?
Okay, oil pressure green, green, green. F center and carb time is out of yellow. No warning light except started on. Warning light, right?
Yep.
And no caution lights. And tab is green.
Yep. And RP down.
Carpet down.
Yep. And don't let go. Don't do it like that. The
What?
collective, you go down with your hand here and then with your thumb you lower carpet. Okay, do
Like
not,
that?
yes,
Okay.
do not let go of the
I'll let
collective.
go the collective.
Really, you have to get this into your brain. You have to understand this. You cannot do this with 80 hotel.
Okay.
Because the collective will come up and then you will have most likely a dynamic rollover. Okay?
Yeah.
So
Should I-
really
yeah.
make sure you keep your hand on the collective, keep it down here,
Yeah.
lower carpet.
Yeah.
Okay? So now pick us up.
Oh, you're right. The collective is